What's this?
Sign this for me. Just sign it. Just sign it.
Who's that?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Sign it. Sign it for me. Can you sign this for me?
Oh, no. Of course.
Yo!
Where do you want it?
Just anywhere, anywhere. Hi, can you sign this for me?
Yo! That's crazy. We always have.
Anywhere. Can you sign this for me, Annalise?
Can I have your screen?
I got you, bro. I got you.
Can you guys sign these for me? Like, I really love your work. Can you just sign these? Can you sign this for me? Just sign it. Really love your work.
I think that's so funny.
This is not my idea.
Why would you? Oh, like my name and last name?
Yeah, why not?
Like signature.
Just sign it. Sign it. Josiah, can you sign this for me? Anywhere.
Wait, where's my quote from Twice? I quoted Twice. I quoted Twice. Where's my Twice?
Wait, no. No, I wanted to say something.
What?
Can you sign this for me?
Why do you have this? Just why? Okay.